Hey guys, welcome to Social Nerd. In today's video, I'll show you how to turn off restricted mode on YouTube from your Android and iOS devices. Restricted mode allows users to filter out potentially mature content on YouTube using things like titles, descriptions, metadata, and age restrictions. Though, it's worth noting that these filters aren't always accurate and these things can slip through the cracks. It also blocks the comment on all videos, even the ones you are able to watch. So, to those who are looking to turn restricted mode off on YouTube, it's easy enough to do. And it should only take you about a minute if you are using your personal phone, as long as you have your login information handy. Now, in order to turn off restricted mode on YouTube, watch this video very carefully and follow these simple steps. First, go to your YouTube application on your mobile device, then tap on it to open. Now go to the top right corner of your screen and tap onto your profile icon. Now from the given options, go to the setting option and tap on it. Now the iPhone users should toggle off the restricted mode option directly, and Android users should select the general option and tap on it. Now once you scroll to the bottom, you can see the restricted mode option. Go and tap onto the toggle next to it. By doing this, you have successfully turned off the restricted mode on your YouTube application. Now that you have turned off the restricted mode on your YouTube, if you are the only person using your computer as an adult, then there's probably no harm in disabling it. However, if you have other people using your YouTube account, especially those who are vulnerable, then it's best to keep it on. While you might be aware and okay with it, other users might not. In case of kids, YouTube restricted mode can also help them stay safer on the internet in general. So that was it for today guys. Thanks for watching the video. Don't forget to hit the like button if the video was helpful. Subscribe to the channel and stay updated for more videos like this. Bye bye.